Hi YouTube, so today I'm going to make saltfish. So I'm just peeling my yam here and I add it in some water and I'm going to put it up to boil for about, well, you could say until it gets soft and tender. Could be about 20 minutes or more, depends. So I had my yam boiling for about 20 minutes and you want it to be soft like this. So this is what it will look like when it is finished boiled. So I'm just going to strain it. 2 cups of tomatoes cut. I have some pimento, some garlic, and I have a medium onion. And I have my saltfish here already boiled, and I just mash it up fine like this for my saltfish, and I'm going to show you how to fry up your saltfish. So here I have my oil and I'm going to add my onion, garlic and pimento. Let it crop a little bit. I'll just add my tomatoes. And you just want the tomatoes to be tender for about, five minutes, and then you will add your saltfish to this. Okay, so this is my tomatoes, so you will want it like this. See how nice and tender it gets. So I'm going to add my saltfish to this. And you just need to turn it up and just leave it for a few seconds, and then it is finished. And you could have this with, well, we are having it today with some buttered yam, but you could have it with bake, you could have it with dumplings, you could have it with sada roti, anyway, or you could even have it with some rice. This is my saltfish here, and it is done. It smells a lot. Very good. Now, the reason why you boil your saltfish when you buy it and empty it out from your package, you boil it because saltfish is very salty. So most people boil it to get the salt out. Some people boil it for about half an hour or more, depending on what kind of saltfish you have bought. So the one I have bought is easy, so I just boil it for about half an hour, and you just need to taste it for the salt. So when you put it and you add the tomatoes, you do not need to put salt in it. It is good as is. And this is my saltfish all done. So this is my yam, and I have drained it out, and I'm just going to mash it up because I like my yam kind of mashed up. Just mashing it up. So I have my pot heating up, and I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of butter because I'm making butter yam. Just leave it like it melt. And for my butter yam, I just have a teaspoon of garlic, a small, well, medium sized onion, and some pimento. My butter is already melted, so I'm going to add my pimento, garlic, and onion. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of green seasoning. And just let it get a little tender, cook until tender. So now I'm going to add my yam. So this buttered yam, you can have it with anything. So this butter yam, you could have it with anything. You could have it with chicken. You could even bake chicken, have it with baked chicken or fried chicken. It's nice as a side dish or as your main dish. And it's a lovely and it's a very delicious meal. Look how gorgeous it looks with the green seasoning and my pimento and garlic and onion. So here you have my final product, my butter yam and saltfish. Easy, quick and simple. Not much ingredients for a delicious full meal. So I hope you guys do try this and enjoy my recipe. Have lots more in store. Hope you guys enjoy.